Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Shubh. If you really want to improve your English speaking, then this video is very important for you. Today, I'm not just giving you a conversation, I'm giving you a simple method to improve your English naturally, just by listening and shadowing. Many students think, I need perfect grammar, I need advanced vocabulary, I need a foreign accent. No. What you really need is regular listening practice and speaking practice together. And that is exactly what we are going to do today. Step 1. Listen carefully. First, just listen to the full conversation without stopping. Don't translate in your mind. Don't worry about grammar. Just listen to pronunciation, tone, natural pauses, and how sentences are connected. Listening improves your brain's English understanding power. Step 2. Shadowing method. Very powerful. Now, what is shadowing? Shadowing means listen to one sentence, pause the video, repeat exactly the same sentence, copy the pronunciation, speed, and emotion. You speak along like a shadow. For example, Mother, wake up, beta, it's already 7 o'clock. You, pause, repeat loudly. Don't speak in your mind. Speak loudly. Your mouth must practice. Your tongue must practice. Your confidence must practice. Step 3. Repeat daily. If you do this daily for 15 to 20 minutes, your fluency will improve, your hesitation will reduce, your confidence will increase, your pronunciation will become clear. English is not learned by thinking, it is learned by speaking. Important tip: don't try to be perfect. Try to be consistent. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Mistakes are part of improvement. So now, listen carefully, shadow confidently, and improve your English naturally. Let's start today's conversation. And remember, if you want to improve your English fast, listen till the end. Indian mother and son, daily life at home. Mother, Arjun, wake up, beta. It's already 7 o'clock. Son, Ma, please 5 minutes more. Mother, you said the same thing yesterday also. Get up now. You have online class at 8. Son, Ma, today is Saturday. Mother, I know, but you said you want to start waking up early from this week. Remember your new life routine? Son, oh no, why do you remember everything? Mother, because I am your mother. That's my superpower. Now get up. Son, okay, I'm sitting, see? Mother, sitting on the bed and actually waking up are two different things. Go brush first. Son, Ma, where is my toothbrush? Mother, same place where it was yesterday, in the bathroom. Son, it's not here. Mother, did you even look properly? Son, oh, found it. Mother, exactly. You don't see things, you just panic. Morning routine. Mother, brush properly. Don't just move the brush for 10 seconds. Son, Ma, I'm not a kid. Mother, really? Then who forgot to switch off the fan yesterday? Son, that was a mistake. Mother, you make very regular mistakes. Son, very funny, Ma. Mother, come to the kitchen after brushing. I made poha. Son, wow, poha? With peanuts? Mother, yes, with peanuts and little pomegranate also. Son, you're the best, Ma. Mother, I know. Breakfast time. Son, Ma, the poha smells amazing. Mother, first wash your hands properly. Son, I did. Mother, with soap? Son, now I will.
Mother, that's what I thought. Son, Ma, can I get tea also? Mother, you just started drinking tea last year and now you want it daily? Son, it helps me feel active. Mother, no, discipline helps you feel active. Tea is just an excuse. Son, you always give life lessons with breakfast. Mother, free motivation service. Son, Ma, today I want to study English properly. Mother, very good. Practice speaking daily. Don't feel shy. Son, sometimes I feel my pronunciation is not good. Mother, so what? Practice makes it better. Even when you were small, you didn't walk perfectly on day one. Son, true. Mother, confidence is more important than accent. Study talk. Mother, after breakfast, what is your plan? Son, first I'll finish my English assignment, then I'll record video for my channel. Mother, what is today's topic? Son, daily conversation between Indian mother and son. Mother, oh, so I am your content now? Son, yes, Ma, you are my main character. Mother, then make sure you show me as strict but loving. Son, that's exactly how you are. Cleaning time. Mother, Arjun, after eating, keep your plate in the sink. Son, yes, Ma. Mother, and rinse it also. Son, why me? Mother, because this is your house also. Son, okay, teamwork. Mother, good. If you help at home, you learn responsibility. Ma, when you were my age, what did you do? Mother, I used to wake up at 5 a.m., help my mother, go to school, and still finish homework. Son, you always had perfect discipline, right? Mother, not perfect, but we didn't have mobile phones to waste time. Son, that's true. Mobile is the biggest distraction. Mother, so control it. Don't let it control you. Mobile and life advice. How much time did you use Instagram yesterday? Son, only 30 minutes. Mother, check screen time honestly. Son, okay, maybe 1 hour 45 minutes. Mother, see? That's your English speaking time gone. Son, from today I'll reduce it, promise. Mother, I'll believe when I see action. Son, Ma, do you not trust me? Mother, I trust you, I just don't trust your laziness. Son, that hurts. Mother, good. Sometimes truth should hurt. Emotional moment. Son, Ma, do you think I can become successful? Mother, why are you asking this suddenly? Son, sometimes I feel confused. Everyone is moving ahead. Mother, listen carefully. Everyone has their own timing. Don't compare your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 10. Son, Mother, work hard quietly. Results will speak. Son, you always say that. Mother, because it is true. Son, I want to make you proud. Mother, I am already proud, but I want you to be proud of yourself. Afternoon scene. Mother, lunch is ready. Come fast before it gets cold. Son, what did you make? Mother, dal, rice, and aloo gobi. Son, simple and perfect. Mother, don't forget to eat salad also. Son, Ma, why salad daily? Mother, for health. You sit all day, at least eat properly. Son, okay. Light fun. Mother, after lunch, don't sleep for 3 hours. Son, just a small nap. Mother, your small nap is equal to full night's sleep. Son, you know me too well. Mother, obviously, I raised you. Evening talk. Mother, did you finish your English practice? Son, yes, Ma. I practiced speaking for 30 minutes. Mother, very good. Record daily. Improvement will come slowly. Ma, can you speak one English line for my video? Mother, what should I say? Son, say, keep learning and never give up. Mother, okay, keep learning and never give up. Son, perfect. Night motivation. Son, Ma, today felt productive. Mother, see, when you wake up early and use time properly, the whole day feels good. Son, yes, morning discipline really changes mood. Mother, exactly. Success starts from small daily habits. Son, tomorrow I'll wake up early. Mother, I'll remind you. Son, you always do. Mother, because I want your future to be bright. Son, thank you, Ma. Mother, now sleep on time.